So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPad Air 5 that has no power issue. So it looks like it doesn't charge. Sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't, but it does power up on. So basically it doesn't charge at all. Yeah. Okay. It looks like it has a bad charging port. Yeah. So this iPad has a bad charging port. See? You have to wiggle it for it able to charge. Okay, so this is pretty easy fix, but the problem is we have to take out the whole string and to access the charging port to replace it. And this is could be a pain in the butt for this type of iPad. So let's go ahead and do that. So we took up the LCD screen and we're just detaching the cables. So there are a lot of cables that you need to detach. And you take out the board and flip it over. There's one more cable here. We need to be careful. So we need to take this cable. Take this one out. That's the last cable in here. And how screws are those? It's not working. That's weird. Hmm. My screw buns may be broken. What's wrong with this? Hey. Let's go check this under the microscope and see what's going on. No, it looked like someone tried to replace this and mess it up. Mess up the screws. That's terrible. Seriously? Dude? It's not too bad to remove it. Screws don't mess up. Hopefully this one's easier. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, come on, it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. It's good. Come on. It's moving. Be really bad if we can take out that screw. Oh yeah. It's terrible. We need to replace those screws. So what's wrong with this? Oh. So we got cut right here. Let's see. Something's wrong there. Why was it? So something wrong with the charging port. Let's try to clean it out, and hopefully we don't need to replace it. So maybe an issue with the loose screws. That's why it's not charging. It's clean enough. Okay. So we need to try to find screws that can fit in those. Because those screws are not good anymore. Just look at the side of this. Let's try this one. Yeah, that one's really good. I think we have another one over here. Okay, it's pretty tight. Yeah, those still are gone. Yeah, it's working now. It's perfect. So let's try to test it one more time. So basically what happened is that somebody tried to remove the screw and didn't tie it up properly, so it's not properly aligned. It's loose. When you plug in the charging cable, it doesn't go in properly or stay tight. So it works every time now. It's booting up at 1 amp, 1.4 amp. So it's booting up, you can hear the sound. Yeah, it's good. Just power it up, power down, I mean. Okay. So the charging port's fine, but somebody messed it up when they tried to screw it in, try to fix it, something. You know, it's glad that we don't have to remove the board and flip it over and change out the charging port. Now let's try to put on the LCD screen and test it to make sure. But first we need to put this thing back. So Let me make sure all these things go back on properly. Okay, everything's in. This way. There you go. Okay, let's try power it on. Plug it in. So we see it's popping up. It's charging 1.4 amps. So it's charging fine. Now we see the charging sign, the lightning, and it's at 3%, and it's charging at 1.42 amps. It's great. Well, that's it. That is, guys. It's another relatively easy repair. But the hard part is taking out this screen right here. It's the pain in the butt, and you want to break it is because you cannot fix the LCD screen on this one. This is like a one piece. It comes together. It's not just separate from the LCDs. And if you break it, you have to replace this, and it's pretty expensive. So, but we fixed the issue so far. Oh. Yeah, let's take it off. And that's it, guys. Now we're just gonna put it back together and return it to the customer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you haven't done so, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future.